He's got another one, viewers.
Third fish of the day.
A little sunfish with just biting everything.
Hey, bud.
Well, we've caught 10 or 12 of these small sunfish. Got a little butter, garlic, salt, pepper, seasoned salt. I'll let this small fire burn down just a little bit more. Roll them sunfish up that aluminum foil. Put them in there for a few minutes. Pretty hot little spot. Won't take long. 12, 15 minutes maybe. Took one of them sunfish heads. Got cooking over on the fire. Put him on about a 4-aught. Seen a gar run in there a while ago. Chased one of them sunfish. We reeled it in. Wasn't very big. But still got that live bait out right about there. I don't know if you can see that reel or not. Still fishing. Let me tell you about the first time I ever ate fish cooked over an open fire. It was snagging season, March 15th, I believe, back then it opened up. And we went down to Little Merrimack, snagged some red horse suckers. Well, we had 8 or 10 there, and we scaled them and gutted them. I was probably 7 or 8. Kenny's probably 5. And after we scaled them and gutted them, we went a sycamore limb through their mouths and gills and hung them up over 2 forked sticks over a fire. Built a litter fire underneath of it, cooked them up. About the time we figured it was done, took a piece off there. I took a piece of that fish, tried to eat it. That's the worst taste of fish I ever tasted. Tastes like singed hair or something. I didn't cook too many fish over an open fire when I was young, unless I fried them. Well, he thinks it's about done. I think it needs a little bit more.
Fire's already out.
It's still warm. Open it up.
Alright.
You can probably do it with your hands. Keep opening it. Put that over there.
Where's our fish?
Open it up. Unroll it, please. There's your fish and it's done.
Told you it was done raw.
Yeah, it is. Hold on. Don't start poking. Let me get you a piece that ain't got no bones in it. There it is. He's going to try some more. He's been eating it. Try a little bit. Sure ain't much on them little sunfish. Ain't good?
It tastes like fish.
Right on. Oh, we was probably out there about 4 hours. We never did catch anything big. Actually, all we ever caught was them 8 or 10 small sunfish. Try to get out and get you more fishing videos, outdoor videos. Sure hope you're enjoying the channel because I'm enjoying making these videos. Thank you.